What's up, everybody? Tim Anderson here, aka Renfill. Welcome back for another video. Today, we're going to be diving into the recent announcement that Epic and Unreal just got a $2 billion round of investment funding from Sony and Kirkby to continue the advance of the company's vision to build their metaverse and continued growth with Unreal and beyond. If you like this kind of stuff and this is your first time here, hopefully you will support by hitting the like button as well as subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell icon so you get updates like this delivered to you when I have new content coming out on YouTube. I do a lot of stuff related to video games, books, TV shows, films, nerd culture, pop culture. I got a gaming community and a Discord. Links are down below. There's a whole lot of stuff going on here, and if you like all that kind of stuff, hopefully I will see you around for future content. Meantime, let's dive in. This is originally something I picked up. The Verge was reporting on it as of this morning. It is April 11th as of this recording, but I got the video coming out on the 12th, so it'll be about a day behind. But basically, I haven't fully read through this press release here, so we're going to dive into this and go through. Epic Games announces a $2 billion round of funding to advance their vision with the metaverse and support continued growth from Sony and Kirkby. I don't know who Kirkby is, so let's read through this. Existing investor group, Sony Group Corporation, who, if I'm not mistaken, according to this was last year, April 13th, 2021, The Verge reported Sony invested another 200 million in Epic Games um, as part of a $1 billion funding round. This was last year, which is pretty awesome. And I'm going to link to this article down below so you want to read through this in greater detail. It also received money from Kirkby, the family-owned holding and investment company behind the Lego Group, with each group investing $1 billion respectively. Okay, hold on a minute because we're going to come back to that in a second. All three companies highly value both creators and players and aim to create new social entertainment, exploring the connection between digital and physical worlds. Epic continues to have only a single class of common stock outstanding and remains controlled by its CEO and founder, Tim Sweeney. Now, I remember reading through the Verge article this morning, and they had a link to Kirkby, an investment group operated by the Kirk Christiansen family, which founded the Lego Group. And it says last week, Epic and Lego announced a partnership to build a family-friendly take on the metaverse with little in the way of concrete details. And I think that was this one, which was reported on April 7th. Somehow I missed this one. It says Epic and Lego partner to build a metaverse for kids. Two of the biggest names in entertainment coming together to create a virtual space aimed at children through a new partnership between Epic Games and Lego. That's interesting. Okay. Epic does have extensive experience creating virtual worlds through Fortnite, and Lego has their Lego games, which, by the way, the Lego Star Wars game, which came out this last week, Skywalker Saga, is pretty much kicking ass and taking names. Everyone's loving it. My brother's playing it. My nephew's playing it. I've been too busy to dive into it recently, but I can't wait to sink my teeth into it. I've been following it for a couple of years. Those Lego games are awesome, and this new one is definitely pretty amazing. So we're going to see where this goes. Let's go back to the press release from Epic here. As a creative, so this is, let's see here. As a creative entertainment company, we are thrilled to invest in Epic to deepen our relationship in the metaverse field, a space where creators and users share their time, said Kenichiro Yoshida, Chairman, President, and CEO of the Sony Group Corporation. We're also confident that expertise from Epic, including their powerful game engine combined with Sony's technologies, will accelerate our various efforts, such as the development of new digital fan experiences in sports and virtual production initiatives. Meanwhile, we've got Soren Thorpe Sorensen, CEO of Kirkby, who said Epic Games is known for building playful and creative experiences and empowering creators large and small. A proportion of our investments are focused on trends we believe will impact the future world that we and our children will live in. This investment will accelerate our engagement in the world of digital play, and we are pleased to be investing in Epic Games to support their continued growth journey with a long-term focus towards the future metaverse. And of course, we're getting a statement from Tim Sweeney here. As we reimagine the future of entertainment and play, we need partners who share our vision. We have found this in our partnership with Sony and Kirkby. This investment will accelerate our work to build the metaverse and create spaces where players can have fun with friends, brands can create creative immersive experiences, and creators can build a community and thrive. Epic's post-money equity valuation is 31.5 billion. That's up from last year, I believe, when it was valued at 28.7 billion last April. So we're a year on, and we've seen a slight rise in that. The closing of the investment is subject to customary closing conditions, including regulatory approvals. So, interesting note this morning. So, if you want to dive into this in greater detail, I'm going to have links down below to all of these articles in the press release. For me, I'm less into the hype behind the metaverse. Obviously, Epic is doing really interesting things with Fortnite, sort of blending. We've got live concerts happening in that space. We've got crossovers between just about every franchise known to man happening within Fortnite. So that's kind of a taste of what the metaverse could be as things continue to grow and expand. But for me, I think the most important component of this is what Unreal 5 is already doing in the space and how that is making Epic grow, because Unreal 5 it just launched last week. It's seen explosive growth already on top of Unreal already being this amazing engine. We're seeing Unreal at the forefront of technology behind franchises like all of Disney Plus shows, like all the Star Wars shows, Book of Boba Fett, The Mandalorian, the upcoming I think all of the shows, but the upcoming um, Obi-Wan Kenobi show, those all take use of that technology. So Epic isn't just expanding in the metaverse, it's also about what they're doing with the Unreal Engine, which isn't just tied to game development anymore. It's also being used for film and entertainment. If you look at what the Epic Mega Grants are being awarded for, there's a lot of educational tools being created within the Unreal platform. So for me, this press release isn't just about the metaverse, although this is the primary focus of this announcement, but it's also the continued growth of the company and everything they're doing, which all of it ties back into the Unreal Engine and how powerful it is and what that's doing for creators and allowing things to be created within the Unreal space. So for me, this press release is a much bigger announcement. And I think that this is a great reason why people should want to invest in these companies and continue to push this technology forward. It's good news for me as far as I'm concerned, and I think it's really interesting what we're going to see come out of this. Um, Obviously, who knows where the metaverse is going to go, but that's why I say for me, the metaverse is less important than just the growth of what we're going to see from the Unreal Engine as this continues to grow. We're currently working with Unreal 4 for our project, and we're looking forward to the next project moving over to Unreal 5. Let's talk about all that stuff now that we're at the end of the video. If you liked this video and you want more like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. I'd love to hear your comments below on this partnership, so leave those down below. Don't forget, we have a Discord and a gaming community, so if you want to join that, check out the links below. You can come hang out with us there. And as far as what I'm doing as a game developer, I am the founder of Stormhaven Studios and the Wandering Hermits, the latter of which is currently working on the World of the Weave and the Void, which is that behind me. The Wandering Hermits are myself, my brother, and my wife Chris, and we are working on a 5th edition tabletop setting, which also includes a point and click adventure game being built in Unreal 4. The tabletop books, the source book and first campaign module, are due out this June of 2022. Then we've got the point and click game coming out later this year in the fourth quarter of 2022. And we also have a book series like Dragonlance was being published all through our Patreon page. So patreon.com/wandering hermits. So if you want to pre-order any of those things, you can. There's also a basic support level at $3 a month. So if you want to support the channel, you can do it over on Patreon or here on YouTube through a membership. Either way, it's a great way to support what I'm doing here on this channel and of giving back. If you like the content that I create. So hopefully we'll see you on Patreon, if not in Discord, and definitely here in the next video on YouTube. Thanks so much, everybody. We will see you next time. Stay safe out there. Happy gaming.